Okay, so good afternoon to all of you. Let us start the class now. Many of our friends are joining, but it's okay. Good afternoon. That day we were talking about the dimensions of health, right? Dimensions of health. Do you remember? Physical
Yes,
health, spiritual. So that is not complete. Okay, I will show you this dimensions of health. You please see once. Oh. Can you see the screen? Can you see the screen or not?
No, ma'am.
Wait, let me share again. Now,
Yes, ma'am.
okay, so that the dimensions of health, you have written physical dimension, right? Then you have written mental dimensions. Mental dimensions. Then social dimensions you have written, but I have not given you from here. Okay, so you can please continue fourth and fifth point. Fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. These 7 points you will have to write down. Did you get it? What I'm trying to say? That day, the dimensions of health. Dimensions of health you have written till social dimensions. Okay, but it was not complete. So now you please write down the fourth point, that is spiritual dimension. Spiritual, emotional, vocational. Okay, all this you include in the dimensions of health. Okay, after that we will go on with the same topic, that is community health. Or else I will do one thing. I will give you these pictures in your WhatsApp. Okay, for now you just keep space, but keep space. Okay, don't forget to keep space. We'll go with that day for community health. I have given you according to WHO the definition, then ecology of health, right? So now you write down mortality and morbidity. Keep the heading mortality and morbidity. The dimensions of health, I will give you pictures. Okay, afterwards you can note it down. Now you write down mortality and morbidity. Mortality, MORTALITY, mortality and morbidity. Section A and B, please give me the attendance later. Okay, both for A and B. Anyone who can write and give me. Mortality and morbidity. MORTALITY, mortality and morbidity. MORBIDITY, mortality and morbidity. Write down below mortality. Write down mortality. MORTALITY, mortality. Put a dash and write down rate of disease. Mortality, the meaning of mortality is the rate of disease. Okay, rate, RAT, rate of disease, DISEASE, rate of disease in a population. Rate of disease in a population, POPULATION, rate of disease in a population. Finish. Below you write down you write morbidity as rate of disease in a population, and mortality you write down death rate. Mortality you write down death rate, death, DATH, death. Mortality means death rate. Okay, death, DATH, death rate, and morbidity means the rate of disease in a population. Rate of disease. Got it, Sacharika? Okay. Next, you then number 1. Write down mortality. Number 1, mortality. Mortality means the death rate. Okay, death rate means in a year how many people are dying, how many children are dying, what are the causes of death. Okay, we are going to learn about that. So number 1 mortality, tar pisot tolat you write down mortality indicators. Mortality indicators, INDICATORS, mortality indicators. Mortality indicators. Number A, small a, number A you write down crude death rate. Crude, 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 CRUD, crude death rate. Crude death rate, DATH, crude death rate. Crude death rate. Then you write this is considered a, this is considered a, this is considered CONSIDED, this is considered a fair indicator. This is considered a fair indicator. Fair, FAIR, fair indicator, INDICATOR, fair indicator of the comparative health of the people. Of the comparative health of the people. Comparative, COMPARATIV, comparative health of the people. Health, HEALTH, comparative health of the people, POPLE, people. Okay, full stop. It is defined as the, it is defined as the, please write down your notes properly. Okay, although I have uploaded in your student portal, but still, okay, many things are there which I'm giving from my own. Again, I'm making it new notes, so I'm giving it to you. And I know many of you won't be even writing from the student portal. That is the reason I'm taking extra time and I'm preparing again the same notes I'm writing and I'm dictating it to you. So you please write down properly. Okay. If any word is missing, you can ask me. It is defined as the number of deaths. It is defined as the number of deaths, DATHS. It is defined as the number of deaths per 1,000 population, per 1,000 population, per 1,000 population per year in a given community. 1,000 population per year in a given community. In a given community. COMMUNITY, community. Full stop. It indicates the rate. It indicates the rate, RAT, rate. It indicates the rate. It indicates the rate at which people are dying. It indicates the rate at which people are dying. So, what is crude death rate? Crude death rate, it is nothing but it is just out of 1,000 population, how many people are dying in a year. Okay, just the value you will have to take out. That's it. Okay. Then number B, expectation of life. Number B, expectation of life, LIFE, life. Expectation of life, LIFE, life. Expectation of life. Write down life expectancy at birth. Life expectancy at birth, BIRTH, birth. Life expectancy at birth is the average number of years. Is the average, AVERAGE, is the average number of years. Is the average number of years. Is the average number of years that will be lived, that will be lived, 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 that will be lived by those born alive, by those born, 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 alive, 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 means the newborn babies, okay, by those born alive, 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 into a population, into a population, into a population, if the current age, if the current age, age, put a small hyphen, put a hyphen and write down specific mortality rate persist. Specific mortality rates persist. Specific mortality rate persist. PERSIST, persist. Full stop. Life expectancy at birth. Life expectancy at birth, BIRTH birth, is highly influenced. Life expectancy at birth is highly influenced by the infant mortality rate. By the infant mortality rate. By the infant mortality rate. Infant mortality rate where that is high. Where death is high. Death, DATH, death. Okay, where death is high. Full stop. Then life expectancy. Life expectancy at the age of 1. Life expectancy at the age of 1 excludes the influence of infant mortality. Excludes the influence of infant mortality. Excludes the influence of infant mortality, comma, and life expectancy at the age of 5 and life expectancy at the age of 5 excludes the influence of child mortality. Excludes the influence of child mortality. Child, child mortality. Okay. Child mortality. Next, number C. Number C, write down age specific death rate. Age specific death rates. Age specific death rates. Age specific death rates. Put a dash and write down death rates can be expressed. Death rates can be expressed. Death rates can be expressed for specific age groups in a population. For specific age groups in a population. Specific age group in a population which are defined by age. Which are defined by age. Age. Full stop. An age specific death rate. An age specific death rate is defined as an age specific death rate is defined as the total number of deaths is defined as the total number of deaths, DATHs, deaths occurring in a specific age group of the population. Occurring in a specific age group of the population. Age specific death rate means what? It is nothing but according to age. The variations on age. For example, very newborn babies, okay, and children, they are more prone to pneumonia, okay, and like you all, this old age people, they mostly suffer from, they won't suffer from pneumonia like the babies, okay. Old age people, they will suffer from back pain, they might have diabetes, heart disease, okay. So according to age, different kinds of diseases are prone. Okay, and in our age, okay, like your age, teenage, what happens? Most of the people, like if it is an inherited disease like diabetes, hypertension, then that is a different thing. Otherwise, we don't suffer much from all of these. But except malaria, jaundice, all these are the common diseases that we mostly suffer. Okay, a small baby won't say that I am having backache. Will they say? A small baby, newborn babies, will they suffer from backache, back pain? Will they? Shanti Dawang, say fast.
Yes, ma'am.
A young baby, okay, 4 years, 1 to 4 years of age, okay, or a newborn baby, do you think that the baby will suffer from back pain, hand pain, nerve pain, nerve damage? Do you think?
No, ma'am.
Okay, who are more prone to all this back pain and all that? Mostly diabetes and all. Mostly who used to suffer heart diseases and all that?
Old age, ma'am.
Yes, especially during old age. Okay, because their systems are already down. So they are more prone to diseases, even the newborn babies, but the newborn babies won't have diabetes or hypertension. Okay. So according to age, we have to take out the death rate. Okay, death rate of a total number of deaths occurring in a specific age group. You just need to take out the rate. Okay, in children, how much death is occurring every now and then, in old age how much, in young generation how much, so all of these things. Then number D, you write infant mortality rate. Infant mortality rate. Infant mortality rate, in bracket you can write down IMR. If I ask you what is the full form of IMR, you should tell me infant mortality rate. Okay, you should know the full form, infant mortality rate. Who are the infants? Anyone?
Mortality.
Who are the infants? Ania? Yes, Ania, unmute yourself and tell me who are the infants? Are you an infant?
Newborn babies.
Hmm? Your network is not good. Anyone, please tell me, do you know who are infants?
Newborn baby.
Huh?
Newborn baby.
Okay, newborn babies. Okay, under 1 year of age. So write down infant mortality rate IMR. Put a dash and write down. IMR is the ratio. IMR is the ratio. RATIO is the ratio of deaths. IMR is the ratio of death. DATH deaths under 1 year of age. Under 1 year of age in a given year. In a given year, YEAR year, to the total number of live births in the same year. To the total number of live births, live, L-I-V, live births in the same year. Live births in the same year. Usually expressed as the rate, RAT rate, usually expressed as the rate per 1000 live birth in the same year. Per 1000 live births in the same year. So in infant mortality rate, you just need to find out, okay, the rate, how many, for example, in 2020, okay, for this year, 2020, how many children have died? You just need to take out the ratio. Okay, by how will you take the ratio? By the total number of live births. How many children are still living? The newborn babies are still living. Okay, you have to divide by the total number of children, okay, infant who are dead into 1000, okay, of the given population in a year. In a year means in 2019, how many children died? In 2020, how many children are died? How many children died, passed away, and how many children are still living? You just need to take out the ratio. That is infant mortality rate. Infant means infant means infant babies, okay. Mortality means death, and rate means rate. So infant death rate or mortality rate. Mortality, the meaning of mortality itself is death. DATH, death rate. Okay. Next, number E you write down. Child mortality rate. Child mortality rate. Hmm?
Ma'am, usually expressed in the
Huh?
usually expressed in the
Usually expressed as the rate.
usually expressed in the
Yes, usually expressed as the rate per 1000 live births in the same year. Usually expressed as a rate, RAT rate, per per 1000 live births 1000 live births in the same year. 1000 live births in the same year. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Number E, you write down child mortality rate, or in bracket you write down CMR. Okay. If I ask you the full form of CMR, you should know it is child mortality rate. Okay. So are infants and children same age group? Rohan? Children?
No, ma'am.
What will be the age group for children?
I don't know, ma'am.
Anyone? Ashri Debarma? So Saurabh is there? Saurabh?
Yes, ma'am.
Are children and infants same? Children and infants, are they of the same age group?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So what do you think? What will be the age group for children?
For infant is
2
0
to
to
10
3.
years, 9 or 10 years old.
Uh-huh.
The age group from 2 to 9 or 10 years old.
Yeah, mostly, but we say 1 to 4 years. Okay, children are
1
under
to
1
4
to 4
years.
years. Ekdam small bachas. Okay, small. Not the infants. Infants
Okay.
are newborn, under 1 year. But children's will be
Under 1
mostly
year.
categorized unto 1 to 4 years, between 1 to 4 years. Okay, write down child mortality rate CMR. Put a dash and write another indicator. Another indicator related to the overall health status, related to the overall health status, related to the overall health status is the early childhood, is the early childhood, is the early childhood, is the early childhood. In bracket you write down 1 to 4 years, bracket you write down 1 to 4 years. Mortality rate 1 to 4 years. Mortality rate, RAT rate, put a full stop and write down. It is defined as the number of deaths. It is defined as the number of deaths, DATHS, deaths. It is defined as the number of deaths at ages 1 to 4 years, at ages 1 to 4 years, at ages 1 to 4 years in a given year, YEAR year, comma, per 1000 children, per 1000 children in that age group, 1000 children in that age group, AGH group, GROUP group, at the midpoint of the year concerned, at the midpoint of the year concerned. So in child mortality rate, you just need to find out between 1 to 4 years how many children are still living and how many children have died. Okay, it can be because of any disease or it can be because of anything, but you will have to take out the ratio of death and live births, live children, okay, between the age group of 1 to 4 years, okay, for 1000 children. So next number F write down. You write F and write under 5 proportionate mortality rate. Under 5 proportionate mortality rate. Under 5 means under 5 years of age. Okay, 0 to 5 years of age. Okay, under 5 proportionate mortality rate. Put a dash and write down. It is the proportion of total deaths occurring under, it is the proportion of total deaths, DATHS, total deaths, proportion of total deaths occurring under 5, occurring under 5 years of age group. occurring under 5 years of age group. First up, this rate can be used. This rate, RAT rate, can be used, USED used, to reflect. This rate can be used to reflect both infant, INFANT, both infant and child mortality rates. Both infant and child mortality rates. First up, in communities with poor hygiene, HYGINE, poor hygiene, comma, the proportion may exceed, EXCEED, the proportion may exceed 60 per 1000 live birds. 60 per 1000 live birds. Full stop. In some European countries, comma, the proportion is less than 2 per 1000 live birds. In some European countries, comma, the proportion is less than 2 per 1000 live birds. So what you have in under 5, okay, under 5 mortality rate, proportionate mortality rate, you have to find out the mortality rates of children or infant, okay, under 5 years of age. That means in this you can find out for both, that is IMR and CMR, both the infant mortality rate also you can find out under 5 and also the child mortality rate. And it is being said here that in most of the communities, okay, especially India, as you know, it is the second, what is it? India is in population wise, India comes under Sriyam.
Second largest country.
Huh? Say Sajarika.
Second largest country.
Yes, in population wise, we come under second. Okay, so what happens in communities with poor hygiene? You see, many of the societies, many of the early people, they have lots of children. So what happened? Many of them, they are malnourished, right? Many of them, they are thin, and they are suffering from lots of diseases. So much horu qualities, but they are suffering from many kinds of diseases. They are not able to go to school properly. They don't have food to eat properly. No hygiene is maintained. Okay, so what happened? Many children and many infants, they die. Okay, because of this poor hygiene, poverty. Understand? Why are you laughing, Sajarika? Okay, so you can see 60 per 1000. Out of 1000 population, you just imagine 60 are dying. 60 people. 60% are dying. It's so much. But whereas in other European countries, only 2 per 1000 live births. You just take the difference. Where is 60 children dying there, and here European countries only 2% is dying. What a great difference in these two things. Why do you think that they have so much of mortality rates in India? Why do you think? Anyone can say? Unmute yourself and you can speak, but please speak fast. Only 4 minutes is left for the meeting time to get over. Why do you think children are suffering? I already explained you. Say a bit. Say. Rohan Dev, say. Arey, say fast. Why do you think children are dying? What has led to this? No idea?
Because they don't get proper food and
Yes.
and hygiene and all,
And no vaccinations. Right?
yes,
No vaccinations. Then
no proper medicine.
yes. So because of all these reasons, the poor children are suffering. Okay, and it is also not good now. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 children. Okay, So they are not able to provide a better livelihood. Okay, better nourishment is not being provided. And you can see, why do you think in European countries so much less children of less amount of mortality rate is present? Anyone can say? Sriyam? Sriyam is present.
Yes, ma'am.
Please tell me, why do you think that in European countries or Bahira, in outside, why do you think that so less proportion is dying, are dying, I mean to say? Only 2.
Because
We have written, na? Same?
European countries are developed.
Yes. Then, do they have 8, 9, 10 children?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
No, they don't have 8, 9, 10, 20 children.
Hey,
Very rare. Okay. We are the second largest population. China is
Yes,
number
ma'am.
1. We are number 2.
Yeah.
Okay. And what, when, say some more points. It is just an interaction. You speak. What's there? I want to know from
They
you all
got
also.
more
Huh?
facilities.
Yes,
They
more
got more
facilities.
facilities.
Yes. And?
Proper medications.
Hmm?
Proper medications.
Yes. And?
No.
Srijana? Srijana is
Yes, ma'am.
present. Yeah, please tell me few points.
I'm they are conscious about hygiene.
Yes. Acha, so all of these points, okay, you all got to know, I think so. So these are the points you all also know. These are GK, okay, general knowledge. So I think my time is out. You do one thing, you join again. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Join again.